Okay, hey guys. This is my voice. It's cringy. Oh my gosh. Um, my friend from MSP is going to be calling me. Um, Here she is. Hello.
Hello.
This is so weird.
Yes.
Okay. Are you recording right now?
No.
I am. Say hi.
Oh, hi.
This is so weird. Okay, what are you doing right now?
Nothing. Let's play a game. Do handle game. Let's play guess up again.
Alright.
Handling game.
By the way, this is my internet best friend, and this is the first time showing my voice, and it's very cringy. Keep in mind, guys, I'm older than she is. Like, way older.
Yeah.
Whoa, Jesus. Oh, hi, I see you. Like a VIP. Well, I can, if it loads. Easy, because I am VIP. Oh, hi, Aaron. How are you? I'm gonna fail. Oh, I already failed. You better vote for me, Kylie. He looks like a freaking one of those VIP noobs. Oh, look at you. He looks weird. Oh, I'm.
Not letting me have any other options.
I'm judging.
I know. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh my god, look.
Okay, let me start recording.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Aaron better pick me, because if he doesn't, we're gonna have some issues.
Oh, wait, X-Men. I can look like X-Men. I haven't even seen that movie before.
I have. I don't know how to look like him, but I can try. I just look like a slut, though. Oh, shit.
Oh my
Okay.
god, no.
Why is he just walk? He looks like. Oh my gosh. What is he doing? Hey, you won, Sophia. Or Kai. Why do I call you that?
I'm the judge.
Oh, just romantic. Okay, romantic. I don't know how to dress romantic because I am a depressing emo.
I'm gonna do a random animation.
Look at you all happy. I'll be happy with you.
Wait, romantic or royal?
Romantic.
Oh, he definitely not romantic.
He looks like a fuck boy. How do you do in my life? Okay. I'm gonna dance while you get ready. Oh my god, this is the first time I'm not as lagging as bad as I have been. And someone's joining us because I'm actually lagging hella bad. Or it's just because anime. He doesn't even look like, no one's even voting for him. I feel bad. Yeah, vote for him to make him feel better, and then, we'll just keep voting for us, because, I got this. I'm going to make her look as noticeable as ever.
I look just plain black and white, so I'm fine. I can just stay the way I am.
But I never get I always get ugly things. I don't understand. I will get caught. Let me get caught. I want to be.
Oh my.
Wait, who picked? Did you get picked?
Yeah, I got picked.
You're gonna win and I'm gonna be Superman. Zodiac. Okay.
I'm kind of not voting for you. I'm gonna vote for Aaron.
Yeah, be nice. Let's vote for him. I'm a Zodiac. Just look at him. But are you seeing what he's dressing as? Because on my screen it just looks like he's in underwear.
Yeah, on my screen it just looks like he's in underwear and I'm just gonna click everything because if I was in the green I would be wearing random stuff. Oh, my hair though. No. Oh my.
Okay, well after I judge this, I'm gonna pause it and we can play and keep calling each other. And then do you want to play casting after?
Yeah.
For a dream? Well, I'll vote for Aaron. He needs to win. Alright, I'm gonna pause my video and I'll still keep talking. We're back. And she's somewhere.
Okay, so somebody joined me.
I joined you.
Oh, okay. Mom joined, and this random girl I don't know joined.
It's Pixie Whore. No one got it. Hey, Nerdy Kitty. Oh, hi. Tell Mom I'm recording. Yes, Pixie. Punch, punch, punch. Chainsaw. Scared. That's not even a chainsaw. What was this? That was a slinky.
I wasn't really paying. Oh, she left. She got mad because you were winning.
No one got it, actually.
Hey, jump. Jump.
I'm not even paying attention. Oh my god. I'm double side. Robot moves.
No, wait.
What? Oh, I probably already lost because I'm not.
It wasn't giving me the fourth option.
What's Angel doing? She's not even doing anything. Or Kitsia, whatever her name is.
I don't know.
What's her real name?
I don't know.
It's not Kit. I think it's Angel.
No, Angel is the other sister who called me annoying, and now she hates me because I kind of did something wrong. Not gonna talk about it right now, but yeah.
I don't like her.
Me neither. I don't like her anymore. She told me she wanted me to die.
I'm like, me too, girl. Me too.
Okay.
MTV dance. Polka in the run.
Yay!
Sophie or Kylie, I want to win.
Hectic, run, and fall.
This is just about us playing games. Run.
Yay!
You already won. I didn't even get a chance to go. What the hell is this?
That way down.
No, the lag is real. Baseball.
Way down. Baseball.
I'm gonna murder you. Dog, stop barking, please. I'm trying to. Oh my god.
Wait, I wasn't detected. Oh no.
I missed it. I'm guessing it was happy.
Happy.
Sleep.
Oh.
No.
I want the animation that you just did right now. The sleep, point, lay, rubber dance.
Wait, I'm gonna. Hold on. If I'm not doing anything, it's because I'm on my boy account checking messages. Carter. Oh yeah.
Wait, what? I wasn't paying attention. Okay. So hammer, hammering.
I'm back. In love.
Dang it!
Hammering. And happy. Well, screw that, Pixie whore.
Barbie doll bitch.
Nope, nope.
Fall apart.
I'm losing it. Have you ever heard my voice before? Oh.
What?
Have you ever heard my voice before?
No.
What do you think when you heard it?
I don't know. I didn't expect you to sound like that.
What'd you expect me to sound like? That's
like,
very sexual. Like a
I
what?
expected it to sound more, I guess you could say. I don't know.
Well, I mean, I know what your voice sounds like because it's been in a lot of your videos. Guys, subscribe to Kylie is so random. I'll put her link in my description.
And I'll put her link in the description.
Because we're nice.
Wait, what? Wendy was it? I don't know.
I don't think anybody. Yes! I didn't even pay attention. I totally winged that. Kiss, polka polka, and twerk.
Twerking like a hoe.
Move that booty. Yeah. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna pause the videos and then after we'll find something else to play.
I'm gonna start right now. What MTV show with Lady Gaga making a appearance on? The Hill Crib,
What's up, people? I'm back. Diamond, get off my table. What kind of wood was Pinocchio? Oh, easy.
Made of.
I know what it was. I think. I just guessed, but I had cedar.
I'm just guessing.
Michael Jackson's Beat It means.
Yes. I love I don't love it, but my family loves Michael Jackson, so I know that.
What did Claire dance study? I don't know who that is.
Me neither.
Modern dance? How are you getting these?
I don't know.
On which continent, mountain, whatever that freaking... I'm gonna say Africa, because I'm smart, guys. I'm in 7th grade. Just kidding, I am. What is Dr. Do? I'm gonna say that one.
I know that TV show.
I don't, but it sounds familiar. Little Stewart is a what? If you don't get this. No, he was a mouse. You never seen it?
Oh, wait, for Cinderella.
Sleep. I'm gonna say the Food Network. Because I think he would.
Oh.
Dab on them haters. How many players are on the European handball team? 5.
11.
It was 7.
7.
Which cartoon
character do you like to eat?
Hold up, you want to do my outro with me real fast?
Sure.
Thank you for watching my video. Her link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye.